In order to help you working with Coggle, what I'm going to do is actually run through an example of how to get started. And what you see up on the screen right now is actually my Coggle application open, and you can see the various types of Coggle diagrams that I have made, which are either mostly brainstorming activities, but in a couple cases there are ways to better to display information that needs to be displayed. So once you've logged into Coggle, you'll have in the top left the Create a Diagram. So you click on the Create a Diagram button and it opens the screen that you see here. If you come down to the question mark in the far right and click on it, it opens up that set of keyboard shortcuts that you may wish to use. You don't have to do that, and to close it you click the X. So first thing I'm going to do is type in the title, and this now is what will be the label for the Coggle that we're designing. And then I click on the plus sign, and this is my first child, and so I'm just going to label this first child. And then I can click on this again, and I can label second child if I wish. Now let's say I want to do a subcategory for first child. I just mouse to the head there, click X, and you can see I've now created the second level, and I can do third level after that. So then let's say I want to change, so I can hold the mouse up and you can see now I've got the ring. So I can change the color of the thread. I can move the thread. I can delete the thread. I can add a new thread. I can also add in multiple directions. And then finally what I can look at, I can change, put it in a shape if I want to, if I'm doing. And the last thing I can do is I can also look at then the text. So I could click on this and it will give me the aligning, italics, and bold. So I'm going to make it bold. You can see now, to make it bold, I would put the other way you could do it is if you add you can bold and then enter text and you show it's bold. Do the same thing with italics. I can also add the link, and it would just go put the link in the URL address there that I wanted to add. And you can see now it's link title and enter text, but I can clean that up by deleting this, and then I can put title of the link there, and I can click on it, take me to the link. So I'm back, here's the class sample. The next item I want to add is, let's say I'm typing this text and I want to add an image. I can do that, where I can simply, there we go. And you can see that you can embed the image right there within the document. And then the last thing you can do is you can add an icon. And so those are the basic functions of how you can use Coggle.